This video I will explain UPI Lite official limits. What is the maximum balance you can keep in UPI Lite? You can keep up to 5,000 in your UPI Lite balance. What it means? You can add money from your bank account into UPI Lite. Once it reaches 5,000 rupees, you cannot add more. You must spend some amount first, then only you can add it. What is the maximum amount per payment? You can pay up to 1000 rupees in a single transaction. So 50 rupees payment is allowed, 500 rupees payment is allowed, 1000 rupees payment is allowed, but 1500 payment is not allowed in UPI Lite. For bigger payments, the app will switch to normal UPI with UPI PIN. Now we will see what is the maximum total spending per day. You can spend up to 10,000 rupees per day using UPI Lite. For example, morning you spend 2000 rupees, afternoon you spend 3000 rupees, evening you spend 5000 rupees. So total 10,000 rupees reached. So limit reached. After that you cannot spend more. Now we will see UPI PIN requirement. For UPI Lite payments, no UPI PIN is needed. This is why the limits are kept small, payments are very fast. Why these limits exist? First point, safety. Since you do not enter UPI PIN, only small amount is allowed. Second point, speed. Small payments happens instantly. Third point, daily use. UPI Lite is made for tea, snacks, parking, auto and small shop payments. What happens if you cross the limit? If your payment is more than 1000 rupees or UPI Lite balance is not enough, then the app will use normal UPI and you must enter your UPI PIN. Now we will see very simple real life example. You can think of UPI Lite like keeping cash in your pocket. You keep only 5000 rupees in your pocket. You use it for small daily spending. For big shopping, you use your bag. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.